goodbye to 4C Ranch. We had an excellent stay and are sad to go, but excited to see San Antonio. Are you guys ready? I know Skip's not because he just threw up. So that's fun. Travel days. Yay.
Approaching 2617 Roosevelt Avenue on the right.
We made it to San Antonio. First stop, the Alamo. Hi, hi, come to me, my baby.
What's so important about the Alamo isn't per se a battle that was fought here, but it was a defeat here. So between February 26th and March 6th of 1836, it was the defeat of the Texans by the Mexican army. So what that did is the slaughter that took place here infuriated the Texans for them to build their army and come back and fight and take over Texas and claim it as an independent state. That's where the saying, remember the Alamo, comes from, is when they were so badly defeated and slaughtered here that it's remember that, give it everything you got, and come back and fight even harder. We were checking out the Hyatt because they have like a waterfall going into it, and we finally discovered the river walk.
Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my time. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Running through the last of my thoughts.
We're gonna come back here at night to see it all lit up because we heard it's pretty cool.
It's nice.
That right there is the reason we are taking an Uber and
This
not driving.
right there.
That right there. Oh wait, it's a little lower. A little lower. Sorry.
Baby, I'm free. I'm freer than I ever been before. Alright, 'cause I'm free. I'm freer than I ever been before. Yeah, baby, I'm free. I'm freer than
I was talking to that guy. He was talking to me. He was like, vagina? She has a vagina because he just got out of jail. I don't know how long he was in there.
Oh! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Good to see you! Santa Claus, nice to see you!
running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my time. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my time.
You can do it!
Alright, 'cause I'm free. I'm freer than I ever been before. Yeah, baby, I'm free. I'm freer than I ever been before.
It's an end of it for tonight. A big shout out to the Bend Oyster Bar for feeding us drinks all night long.
We love you.
4 hours of Long Island iced teas, a bunch of shots. We appreciate you guys. Time to go to bed.
Fireball. Don't do it. No, no fireball. There's us right there. Today we are headed to the Mexican market to get some tamales. This is Saturday at 1 o'clock in the Mexican market in San Antonio. So it's crazy. Just making sure it looks right. I don't like Texas anymore. Allegedly, you can't serve hard liquor unless you're a sit-down restaurant. In this market area, they make all of their margaritas and frozen drinks with wine. I love tequila, so it makes me really sad. Tequila tamales, that's all I wanted. It's really good though. It's just not the same.
Another must-do while you're in San Antonio is take one of their famous ghost tours. So we reached out to the best in the business that there is here, and that's RJA Ghost Tours, and they agreed to hook us up with a private tour tonight. Let's go check it out.
Alright guys, so my name is David. I am your tour guide on our adventure into the paranormal.
I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
What really makes us unique and sets us apart from the rest is the fact that the owner of our company and most of the staff, myself included, we're actual paranormal investigators. Alright, then we head on all the local construction to the Minger Hotel. Down this way we go. So the Minger Hotel was built back in 1859 by William A. Minger. It's also been host to many presidents, probably the most well-known, Robin Williams. Sorry, Teddy Roosevelt. The King Ranch Suite, and the room is located right here. Second floor, corner room. Guests staying in the room, especially the ones staying the night alone, have reported waking up to none other than Captain King lying in the bed right beside them. This cathedral is the oldest cathedral we have in the state of Texas, and it's also the oldest continually operating cathedral in the United States. So back in the early years of the cathedral, and many religious sites like this one, not just in the US, but other countries as well, it was not out of the ordinary. In fact, it was a sign of respect to bury people in the walls or under the floors of the building. With that being said, there are people buried in these walls. So this is the Spanish Governor Palace Museum. This is where we'll show you the second ghost photo.
So just so you know, the ghost photos are pretty freaking awesome, and they're top secret. So that means you take this tour to be able to see them yourself, and it's worth it. It's worth the money to take the tour just to see the photo. Keep that in mind.
As long as I'm back at my starting location. Is there anyone here that was executed? Yes. There's a lady who keeps asking for help, and then normally when she pops up, more aggressive male spirit will help. There we go. She just asked for help. But that unfortunately is the amount of time we have for the spirit box.
I want one.
It's our last night here in San Antonio, and I can't think of any better way to see the last thing on our list of must-do things is go to the Tower of America.
The America.
The America. The Americas. The America. It's spelled the same. Whatever. English sucks. We are here, and we're gonna take it to the top, eat some dinner, really freaking late because we planned so well that we had to take a 9:45 reservation because that's all they had. So let's go get some food.
Let's eat. What makes this place so special is we are currently spinning around, so we get a full 360 view of San Antonio.
Tyler steak was better, but it's still good.
That's a wrap on San Antonio. We're sad to go, but we're really excited for Big Bend.
So make sure you pay attention next week because this one should be good of epic nothingness. Wide open, in the middle of nowhere, nothingness.
And of course, there's gonna be drama. There's already drama and we're not even there. So stay tuned for shenanigans.